Alright, we're on my very first train ride. And we got people coming in. Hey Brandon, good to see you. I'm on my very first train ride. Hey, Uda. Hey, these are my daughters. This is Christy and Tish. And we are on my very first. Hey, Tina, good to see you. Yeah, very first train ride. So, are you excited? You're from Casablanca. That's cool. Monaco. Tisha and Chris. We got Monaco in here. Yay! TM. Hey, everybody. It's so good to see y'all. It's really hard to see. Wow, this is so big. But never been. Hey, and I got that on video, y'all. Hey, Miss Cricket. This is Tyra. Well, hey, how are you, Miss Mercer? Good to see you. Carolyn Mercer's on here, Tish.
I do not like showing my bracelet.
Brother Mercer's wife is on here. Yay! Hearts for Monaco. That's awesome. Yeah, we're on our way to Chicago. First time ever doing this. This is pretty cool. Well, we're excited. Gonna go to lunch and have some. You're losing connection. I'm sorry. I guess it's because I'm on the train. But I did want to give you an update that we are on the train headed towards Chicago. First time doing it. This is my grandbaby Angel. She's gorgeous. And can't wait to go to lunch today. Thank you for the hearts. It looks like fun. It is. Got our suitcases ready, packed and go. Well, this is so cool. Where are we at now?
Subway.
Subway. They said, look. They said, hi, Angel.
Oh, look,
Hi. She said, hi. It's right hot in here, ain't it?
it's actually quite
Oh, look, on the wall. Seattle Sutton. But thank y'all for the hearts. This is awesome. I love it. Well, I guess I'll come back in. Wow, are we in Chicago already?
No. This isn't our stop.
This is the stop?
No. Oh, wait. Mom, is this a stop? Yeah.
This is our stop?
No. No. This is something that more people.
Oh, okay. Where folks are getting on. Oh, all y'all folks that lived in Hammond in college. That sounds familiar to you. Follow me if you want to see Casablanca. Alrighty. I'll view your profile, and I just followed you. I would love to see Casablanca. That's so awesome. So awesome. Very cool. But these are my beautiful girls. So are you following me also, Casablanca?
Where are you going?
We are going where?
Chicago?
We're going to Chicago. Good job. Good job. Oh, good. I'm glad you are. That's awesome. Well, we're going to have to let more folk on here. Maybe I can chime in again a little bit later. But thank you so much for checking us out. And I'll give you an update. I am following you. Thank you so much. And thank you for the green hearts. I really appreciate it. And y'all have a good day today. Bye.